You're watching How Leap. Let's change your ringtone on iPhone. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. At the top, tap Ringtone. You will see a list of built-in tones. Tap any tone to preview it. To select it, tap it and a check mark will appear. Tap back to save. To use a custom tone you added, scroll to the top of the ringtone list and tap Tones. Your custom ringtones from GarageBand or purchased tones will appear here. Tap 1 to select it. You can also set different ringtones for specific contacts. Open the Contacts app, select a person, tap Edit, then tap Ringtone to assign a unique sound for their calls. Your main ringtone is now changed. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.